Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting again. We are going to look at your first three cool downs. So you should have a red pen in case you need to make any corrections or add anything. So for our lesson one cool down, I had you just kind of write about what we did that day. Feel free to add in our definition of area that we came up with. To this cool down. So it's square units that are the same size that cover a figure with no gaps or overlaps. Feel free, might be a good idea to add that in red pen. So pause the video to write that down. Then for lesson two, the square in the middle has an area of 1 square unit. What is the area of the entire rectangle? Okay, so I know that this thing right here is 1. These two triangles right here and right here would come together to make another square. So that's 1. And then I want to cut this one and this one because then I know that these two can come together to make a square, and that's 1. And these two can come together to make a square, and that's 1. So total, we have an area of 4 square units. I am not going to write out an explanation for you to copy down, but you should have some sort of a explanation or proof so that you know how you got that answer. All right, so then this is the one that you just did just now. So I am going to decompose and rearrange here. I am going to chop it right here because these two triangles can come together to make a rectangle. I could either leave this as one long rectangle or I could chop it into 2 pieces. So now I have this rectangle here that is 4 by 6, so that's 24. I have this rectangle up here that's also 4 by 6. 4 and 6, so that's also 24. And then I'm going to take this piece and move it up here. And that makes a third rectangle right there that's 4 by 6, so that's also 24. So my area is 24 plus 24 plus 24, which is 72. And that is 72 square inches. And your secret word is pineapple. That's it.